Hi guys! In this video, I am going to show you how to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing to do is open your WhatsApp application. After it opens, take a look at my fifth contact. I think this person blocked me on WhatsApp, so how can I confirm? The first way to prove this is to look at the profile picture. It's disappeared. This is the first way to verify that the next person blocked you on WhatsApp. But there is also a possibility. Maybe that person removed his profile picture from WhatsApp. As you can see in my contact list, a few friends don't have profile pictures on their WhatsApp. So the following way is to tap on that friend. Write a message to your friend and send it. You can see just a single tick. Take a look at the top of the mobile screen. I sent a message on 30th of August 2023, and each message has a single tick. It means that a person has not been on WhatsApp for the last 10 months, and it's not possible for a person to be on WhatsApp. If he's using WhatsApp and has not been online for the last 10 months, it means that person blocked you on WhatsApp. The third and final way of verifying whether someone blocked you on WhatsApp is to create a new WhatsApp account with a new mobile phone number and save this contact in your mobile phone. Then, from that WhatsApp, send a message to this person. If he saw your messages or your message got double tick, it will be confirmed that this person blocked you on WhatsApp. Here are the ways to confirm if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.